welcome back to my channel. And before we move on into the video, please subscribe to my channel, please share my video, please like my video, and please follow my Instagram account. I'll leave a handle below. I post a lot of makeup looks there, so you can check my content there. I will insert some pictures here or here, wherever. And if you do not subscribe to my channel, do not like it or do not share it, I'm not going to reach a high audience. So for me to achieve it, I really appreciate if you do something like share it and subscribe to my channel. So yes, so moving on into the video. So yeah, the first up would be this little guy here. This is like underarm roll on. I don't think you can see it, it's like not focusing or something, but this is from Marks and Spencer's, and this is like in the what do you say, scent rose, and I really love this. This is like my holy grail. This is like 0% alcohol, so yeah, I really love it, and this like really keeps you fresh for like the whole day, so I really love it. But as it's lockdown and when we cannot go to the malls or shop, and like you have to get it, I guess, shipped or something. I have not checked if they have like India website or something, so yeah, I cannot like rebuy it. So I found something from Nivea. This is like the Dio Milk Elixir. I hope it's like visible. Okay, see, it's also claims to be like 0% alcohol with vitamins and minerals, but you cannot like really know because they do not have like the ingredients list. And I bought it from Nykaa, so it came like this only, without any seal, without any box. So I don't know if it comes like this or not. If you people have bought it or something, please let me know if it comes like this. But yeah, and you can really see that it is really milky. Can see it moving. So yeah, but whatever it is, I really love this product as well because it does really keep you fresh till the morning. It has like a smell of, I don't know, talc or something, not exactly talc, but it has like really nice smell to it, not like very talcum-y and not very like strong, but yeah, it keeps you fresh. So yeah, I got a dupe for my Marks and Spencer's to the, it's safe to go out to the mall and buy. The second product is this aloe vera gel from Innisfree, and I mean, this has a like literally very interesting story. It's like words of getting over it, like it's almost over, so I repurchased it. But me and my brother was having a debate on it that it is all chemical, it is not pure aloe vera gel, but in Nykaa it was written that it is pure aloe vera gel. The ingredients also did show pure aloe vera gel extract. So I was like, no, if the ingredients are this, then I read the ingredients at the back. The first 8 ingredients of any product is the composition of any product. Other than that, the other ingredients are like in very less amount, so it doesn't really matter. The first 8 ones are like the high concentrations one, and the first 8 ones are all chemicals except the water, aqua, glycerin, whatever. Other than that, all are chemicals, and 2 of them are carcinogenic. One, I don't remember the name, but the one is butynyl glycol. I don't know how to spell chemicals name that correctly, so please. So yeah, but then when I was like really gotten into the research bit thing, it is said to be carcinogenic and it is banned in Europe. But then I saw that most of the products have this chemical, like the Clinique Moisture Surge that we love so much even has it. Like they don't have ingredients written at the bottle, but the box does has the ingredients written it. So the first or the third, I guess third, because first they are water, aqua written. So yeah, the third or the fourth ingredient in the Clinique is even butynyl glycol. Even the Pixie Glow Tonic has butynyl glycol in it. So like most of the products does have this chemical, but I don't know if it's safe or not because on the net it is written it's carcinogenic and it is banned in Europe, but the US and UK parts still use it in cosmetics and skincare. but I do love this product. But I'm rethinking about all the products that I put on my body and face, because I don't want to put something on my face or on my body that is really not good for our skin, body, health or anything. And plus, I'll talk about Nykaa later. First, the products. The next is this Dove body lotion. Yes, this Dove body lotion. It is said to have avocado oil and calendula extract, but no, they don't. Again, because the first 8 ingredients are all chemicals, they are all emollient and surfactants, which just help your body to be like really moisturized, help you from irritation or redness and anything else, and keep you like moisturized really for a long time. I've been using it in the lockdown, and it does keep your body moisturized for like whole day. You won't feel itchy, and you know that you don't have lotion on that you need to reapply it or something. It does not have any SPF or something, but it's a right, like really good moisturizer if you want. But again, it does not have almond oil, avocado oil and calendula extract. It is all chemicals, but good chemicals that really help keep your body moisture locked in, or redness away, irritation away, and everything. So yes, it's a good moisturizer. The next product is this shower gel from Body Shop in the strawberry one. The British Rose is like out of stock everywhere. I do like that one too, but yeah, I'm just hooked on to it. I cannot use the bars anymore. My mother started using it, and now I'm hooked on to it too. So yes, this shower gel, you should really give it a try. They are like cruelty free and vegan brand. So yeah, this L'Oreal Professionalist Limited serum oil. This is the oil or the serum that is used in major of the salons. So yeah, this really helps, give a shine to your hair. I think this is meant for the split ends, to keep the split ends at bay. So yes, but overall I don't know if it keeps my split ends at bay or not, because I get it trimmed. So I have really not noticed, but I guess my split ends have reduced, like it was way worse before, but it has reduced consistently. So yeah, this is a really nice serum, and most of the salons use it. It is like the saloony smell that you get after a fresh haircut, or when you get a fresh shampoo just when you go out somewhere. So yeah, this is a great. Now moving on to makeup categories. First one is makeup remover, because this was in my hand. So yeah, first is this makeup remover. It is from the Face Shop, and this is their Rice Water Bright Cleanser, oil cleanser, and this is really amazing. You just need to pump it oil, massage it all over, and it removes the makeup effortlessly. And you don't need a micellar water after that to clean it again, because this really gets rid of everything. You just need to massage it, get rid of the makeup, and then wash it. It acts as a face wash even. So great product. And yeah, I bought it long time before, but I started using it right now because I thought, why not? Because I've been using makeup like crazy person. Each day I attempt to create a look, and if it's not, shit. So yeah, this is a great remover. If you people like a great remover suggestion, this is a really great one. The next is some eyeshadow palettes. First would be the Lakme Absolute Pink Paradise palette. This is the Infinity eyeshadow palette that was newly launched during their fashion show, and the colors are really pretty. Like you have neutrals as well as the pinks and everything. You have one green as well, but this doesn't work. It doesn't show up on the eyes anywhere. So yeah, other than that, the other colors are really highly pigmented, or the shimmer shadow, except this green. And one thing with the swatches is when you swatch it, they show up on your skin, and that's the thing. You don't see, you can see the green. So you can really see the green coming, but when you apply it on the eyes, it just doesn't work. It doesn't. but overall for $1,000 this is really great product. The ones who wants to like just start makeup, this is a really great eyeshadow palette, budget friendly, highly pigmented and everything. It's really great. The other one is Kiko Milano one. It's really expensive, 2000 for this palette, but the colors are really pretty. Again, you have neutral shades as well and some bright colors and pinks, purple. But the only problem is they're not highly pigmented. They are buildable, but they are really not that pigmented. So I would not pay 2000 for a product that is not highly pigmented. You can get other good brand like eyeshadows in this price amount, or slightly giving 200-300 more and a nicer palette. But paying 2000 and getting the product that is not like that great, because it is really difficult when you try to blend the shades. One of the shades then will like vanish away. Like with the light ones you have the problem. If you put this light purple and then you try to blend it into the pink or the dark purple, it doesn't really show. You can see the bright colors, but the nude colors won't show up on the eyes that much. So 2000 for this palette, I don't think so. The other that I love, totally love, is this Pack Cosmetics Fresh Eyeshadow Palette. I mean, you can create so many different color eyeshadows with these and face paint with these. This is really amazing. I started like creating looks, so I had to buy it. It's not necessary for you people to buy it. If you are into like makeup and you want to like create makeup looks like face paint and something, then it's a great one to buy. But other than, I mean, you can also buy, you might just create different eyeliner looks, but the problem with this is it won't stay. These are not smudge proof or something like that. So if you accidentally touch it, girl, you're in trouble. You will look like some disaster happened with your makeup. So I won't suggest it. If you want to face paint, just for editorial, give it a try. A nice one. But overall, if you want, Lakme is the one. A really great palette. So we have reached to the end of the video. If you like it, please give us a thumbs up. Please subscribe and share, and please follow my Instagram handle. Please help me grow. It won't be possible without your support. Bye.